Hi, I am Ali Farahpoor. I'm a PhD student in cybersecurity at the Universitat Politècnica de Catalunya, and I'm part of the CARISMATICA project. Right now, I'm on a research stay at TU Delft University in Netherlands, working with Professor Hernandez and an amazing group of IoT security. My background is in designing secure IT systems, things like fleet management system and blockchain-based storage solutions. At TU Delft, I am surrounded by people who look at IoT security from totally different angles. For example, network measurements, empirical threat detection, large-scale analysis, and also behavioral analysis, DNS-based detection, and device fingerprint. What's been most valuable isn't just what they study, but how they work. For example, how they design experiments, handle massive data sets, and turn messy real-world problems into solid research solutions and questions. It's made me see that secure system design, which is what I focus on in my career work, is one part of much bigger puzzle in this industry. Another highlight has been the people. Through lab chats, seminars, and collaborations, I'm learning what challenges others find urgent, where the gaps are, and the future of this field. I'm connected with researchers working on IT security for healthcare, industry, smart cities, and a different perspective to the same core problems. That each people brings different views to such problems. Honestly, this stay is reshaping how I approach my PhD. I came for a specific technical methods, and I'm living with a clearer view of the field and my place in it. And I'm grateful for the chance to learn from such talented people, and I'm excited to bring these insights back into my research. And I will keep these relationships after this visit. I'm really enjoying experience here at TU Delft, and I'm happy to be here and to share my work with TU Delft researchers, and I'm glad that I could share a bit of it with you. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next time.